GPU performance. Try these fixes in order. Fix 1. Restart Xbox services. 1. Close the game completely. 2. Open Task Manager. 3. End Xbox app, gaming services, Xbox Game Bar. 4. Restart PC. Then launch the game as administrator. Fix 2. Repair gaming services. Most important, open PowerShell as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC afterward. Fix 3. Reset Xbox app Microsoft Store. Press Win R. Type, you can see the code in our conversation history. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Then update Xbox app, update gaming services. Make sure Xbox app Microsoft Store use same Microsoft account. This mismatch causes E0-0 for many users. Hashar Fix 4. Delete corrupted local save cache. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Rename the folder to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Launch the game again. The game will create fresh files automatically. Fix 5. Check Xbox services. Press Win R type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Make sure these are running Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service, Gaming Services. Set them to. You can see the code in our conversation history. Community reports say these services often disable themselves after reboot. Hashar Fix 6. Verify game files. Steam properties, installed files, verify integrity. Xbox App Manage, files, verify, and repair. Fix 7. Disable VPN, DNS tools, tunneling apps. Disable temporarily VPN, Cloudflare Warp, Exit Lag, Singbox, Ton Adapters, AdGuard. DNS E00 often happens when Xbox authentication fails. Fix 8. Try offline launch, disconnect internet completely, and start the game once. If it opens offline, your cloud sync profile is corrupted. Reconnect internet afterward. Let the game resync. Important. If the issue started after crash during first launch, Linux Proton attempt, interrupted cloud sync, sudden power loss, then your Xbox cloud profile may be corrupted server-side. Some players fixed it only by using another Xbox account temporarily, forcing a fresh cloud sync, waiting for Xbox servers to refresh profile data. Quickest working combo, most reported. 1. Repair gaming services. 2. wsreset.exe. 3. Delete local FH6 cache. 4. Restart PC. 5. Run game as admin that fixes E00 for most PC users.